Hello kids! Today we are going to learn some new vocabulary words related to animals. Are you ready to explore the animal kingdom? Great! Let's start by looking at some pictures of different animals. Squirrel, bird, otter, hedgehog, fox, horse. Fantastic job everyone! Now let's learn how to pronounce these words correctly. Repeat after me. Dog, cat, bird, fish, hamster, guinea pig, rabbit, turtle, lizard, snake, frog, horse, cow, pig, sheep, chicken, duck, goose, deer, bear. Well done everyone. Now let's practice using these words in sentences. I will give you a sentence and you can fill in the blank with the correct word. My favorite animal is a dog. I have a pet cat named Fluffy. Birds can fly. I like to go fishing for fish. The deer has long pointy antlers. Great work everyone. Keep practicing and you will be an expert in no time. See you next time.